The sports betting market was worth $119 billion last year. And whether or not you watch or bet on sports, at one point or another you've seen an ad someplace, whether it's on TV, the radio, a billboard, or online offering some sort of promotion that sounds way too good to be true for you to sign up at a particular sportsbook. Something along the lines of bet $5 and get $150 worth of free bets, or bet $50 and get $300 worth of free bets. Here at Odds Match, we'll show you a proven strategy used by thousands of people all over the world called match betting that allows you to turn those promo bets into thousands of real dollars that you can cash out to your bank account each and every month. In this video, we'll show you how it all works and how anyone with no sports betting experience at all can get started with our step-by-step guides, tools, support, and zero-risk strategy. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign up. You go to our offer hub and you choose one of our recommended sportsbook offers. For example, sign up and bet $50 and get $300 in free bets. Step 2. You then place a bet at that sportsbook. Let's say the Philadelphia Eagles are playing the Dallas Cowboys. You bet $50 on the Eagles to win. Step 3. Repeat the process. You go back to our offer hub and you choose a different recommended sportsbook offer. In this example, also bet $50 and get $300 in free bets. You then place another $50 bet, this time on Dallas to win. Now, it doesn't matter who wins because both outcomes are covered and your $50 bets will break even and cancel each other out. But here's the beauty. You've now unlocked $600 worth of free bets. You can just repeat the process with those free bets and cash them out straight to your bank account. It only takes a short while, it's fun and it's easy, and the best part is that there's tons of sportsbooks that you can repeat this process with over and over again. Sign up for a risk-free trial today and make your first $500.